How to fix Messenger waiting for network on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger waiting for network on Android phone. First go to settings and now just check your connections here, your internet connection, and if everything's good just go back and go to apps and then apps again, and now just type here type Messenger and then click storage and click this one clear cache and go to data usage, enable all of those here, and if that doesn't fix your problem just come back here and go to storage and clear data and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.